Hello, everybody. It's Carol, Crafty Carolina Gal, and I'm going to try again to do this video. I still haven't got the hang of this new dangle thing I got on my phone. So anyway, I wanted to share with you this mini album that I made. I got the idea from Corrine, and sorry, I keep bumping it. Corrine oh gracious, I can't even talk. Corene Creations. And this is the Nitwit collection. Baby Girl First, I think that's the name of it. Or Baby First Girl, something like that. It's not what you think. It's backwards or something. I had some notes here from before when I did this video, and I've misplaced them. So I'm sorry. I was going to give you more details. Oh well. I do know that the pages are 5 by 7. The outside, the cover is 7 and it's like 5. I think it's 5 3/4 by 7 1/2. And then the pages are 5 by 7. And I went by Corrine's tutorial for a mini album, how to make a mini album.